Today our lesson is multiplying by 10. So let's say that I have 2, but I would like to write this as that I have 10 times more of 2. That would be 20. So let's draw that out. I have 2, which means I have 2 flowers. But then I want to say that I have 10 times more of 2. So I have 20, which means I have this flower here. I have 10 times more of this flower. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 more. So then I would draw 10 times more of this flower too. Now if I add them up, I have 10, 10. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So I would say I have 10 times as much as 2 or 20, and I can write it in my multiplication form or math equation, which would be 10 multiplied by 2 is 20. So let's see here, our homework for today. Multiplying by 10. When multiplying by 10 is what you want to do, it helps to think of place value. Just make the number 10 times more and off you'll go right out the door. So what is 10 multiplied by 9? It's 10 times as much as 9 or 90. And here you see the math equation. 10 multiplied by 9 is equal to 90. For our first question is, multiply each number in the grid by 10. Write each problem in the box. The first one is done for you. So if we have 10 times more of 5, we would have 50. If we have 10 times more of 7, we would have 70. Now, if we have, this is interesting, 0. I have 0. 10 times more of 0. So how much would I have? I would have 0. Let's look at this one. If I have 10 times more as 10, so how much would I have? I would have 100. Now let's look at our second problem. Jason has 60 new stamps to put in his stamp book. He wants to put 10 stamps on each page. How many pages will it take? So it's divided into 2 parts. Write expression. Which expression matches this story problem? Fill in the bubble to show. B, solve the problem. Show your work. So let's break it down. Jason has 60 new stamps to put in his stamp book. So he has 60 stamps. He wants to put 10 stamps on each page. How many pages will it take? So let's draw this out and see. I draw one page, and let's say these little dots are my stamps. So I put 10 stamps here. Okay, which means I would need another page because I cannot put more than 10 on one page. This is 10, 20. If I add them up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. So this is, so far I have 30. Now I would have to draw again another page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 stamps here, and I have 40 stamps, and I have to put 60 stamps on each page. So I need another page. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. So now I have 50. I'm getting closer. But now I think I need another page. Let's see if this works out. So let's see. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. 50 plus 10 is 60. So I have 60 stamps. And how many pages did I need? Let me count my pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I needed 6 pages. So let's see. So it will take 6 pages to hold Jason's new stamps. Now I can write it in another expression or in a math problem. Let's see. Which expression matches this story problem? Fill in the bubble to show. So if I add 60 plus 10, that's 70. That doesn't match. I have 60 stamps, not 70. 60 into 10, 600. Boy, that's far away, so no. 60 minus 10 means I took 10 stamps out, which leaves me with 50. So that is also incorrect. Let me see this. 60 divided by 10. So I had 60 stamps and I divided them by 10 stamps equally right here. And each page I had divided the stamps by 10. 10 stamps here, 10 here, 10 here, and also 10 in all of these pages. So when I divided that 60 by 10, it took me 6 pages. So yes, this equation works. I divided 60 stamps into 10 stamps equally on 6 pages, and I got 60. So this is our correct expression.